Right, here's a new Evercross H5 electric scooter. Many features, turn signals, key, horn, mile per hour gauges, and everything. This is well worth the money. Durable. We're going to take it for a test drive eventually. Maybe go on the GoPro. Battery gauge, so you know when you're going to run out. Different gears. Kickstand. Turn signals. Check that out. And when you hit the brake lights come on. So you got running lights that can go on, you got turn signals, and you got brake light. Yeah, there it is. So you got headlights and tail light. Brake light so it gets brighter. That's pretty sweet. This is the Evercross, once again H5, sold on Amazon Prime.